Dit is vrijdag, is hier in die Kavango streek. Dit is die Afrikaanse kanaal, Afrikaans met meneer Damons. It's Friday in the Kavango East region. We want you to have a good Friday, just something to remind yourself, iets om te onthou, net 'n paar woorde om te kan onthou. Engels-Afrikaanse woorde natuurlijk, English and Afrikaans words. What is the matter? What is the matter? Wat me keer? Wat me keer? Wat me keer jou? These words we hear a lot. Wat me keer jou? What is the time? What is the time? Hoe laat is dit? Hoe laat is dit? What is your name? What is your name? Wat is jou naam? Wat is jou naam? What time is breakfast? What time is breakfast? Watter tyd is ontbyt? Watter tyd is ontbyt? Wanneer eet ons? Wanneer eet ons? When are we eating? When are we eating? What's happening here? What's happening here? Wat gaan hier aan? Yeah, it's very expressive, eh? Wat gaan hier aan? What's the matter? What's the matter? Wat me keer jou? Is you okay? Wat me keer jou? Where do you come from? Where do you come from? Waar kom jy vandaan? Waar kom jy vandaan? Geniet julle Vrydag. Sien julle weer gou-gou. Enjoy your Friday. See you soon.